Hey guys, Artist here, and oh my goodness, we just hit 50, I repeat, 50? 50 subscribers. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. It means just a lot to me. I remember when I first started, my goal was like 10 subscribers. I couldn't even imagine that we would reach 50. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, guys. You are the best, guys. I really couldn't even imagine me getting 50 subscribers. I remember when I got 10, like I said, I was so excited. I just want to thank each and every one of you for just supporting me and subscribing and commenting, and I just love you guys all. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember when I said I would give away a purple spiked wristband? Well, the winner of that spiked wristband is Ferris Fox. Congratulations. I did make a video of me giving this away, but unfortunately it just deleted and I was super sad. But that's okay. Shout out to you. I gave her the spike and also a buddy request. My next giveaway is going to be to 100 subscribers. It's probably just going to be 50. So I'm super excited for that. So yeah, it will be this red spiked wristband. It's probably always going to be spiked wristbands. Maybe when I get a little more subscribers, it might be like spiked collars or even long collars. But we'll see. Again, just thank you so much for supporting me. And I hope you all have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.